Now, excellent job, but we need to do the urine test.
What?
You never know! Please, Dr. Buchanan.
Yes. We must have a specimen pass officially.
Okay. All right, now what happened here? You never know. Lloyd Landis. What do we have on this needle? Positive.
Oh my God!
Oh, that has to be wrong. That has to be wrong. Okay, well,
Oh, sorry. Test B.
okay,
She's clean.
she's clean.
A winner.
We do have some of your local fans here who have some questions for you regarding your terrific accomplishment. So, who? Okay, yes.
The tortilla toss is famous. When do they do the tortilla toss at the Ironman?
Oh my God.
They do the fish toss at not the fish.
Okay.
Fish taco.
Anybody else?
I have a question. Where is the craziest place you had to pull over to go to the bathroom? Oh, well, I guess when you're swimming it doesn't matter, right? It's warm. Craziest place.
Poor guys. That's actually the first thing I do when I got in the water. Well, you have a wetsuit on, so it's only hurting yourself. Actually, when you go to the bathroom in a wetsuit, it's wonderful. It's nice and warm. I know it's more than you really want to know, but
Who next? Oh, yes.
At which point did you decide to start feel like devouring M&Ms and Red Vines?
Her favorite
as soon as I got out of the water.
Anybody else? Anybody else? Anybody else? Oh, yes.
I'm just curious, why the Canada Ironman? You weren't actually trying to suck up the Dr. Book who was also raised in Canada.
Trying to know if this is a political move.
The secret's out. No, I wanted to do it in Canada. Canada's like one of the longest running Ironmans. I think next year's the 25th year that they're having the Ironman, and it's an incredible environment. It's a very, very small town, and they had 4,500 volunteers that worked the Ironman. So they had double the number of participants actually working the Ironman. It was just incredible. You get out of the water and you lay on your back, and they strip off your wetsuit. And there's just people all along the way supporting you, even when it got dark, because it got dark around 8:30, and of course we're out there running. And there's people out there cheering out in the middle of nowhere, and I mean, it was absolutely wonderful. Absolutely wonderful.
Yeah.